these two belongs to this one. And under this costing variant, costing type we discussed, and this will comes later. Quantity structure control. Quantity structure control means with BOM and routing. Okay, BOM, BOM belongs to the only materials. What are the materials which we are going to use in our production process? Routing means the sequence of operations. Which operation first, which operation second. In these operations, operation contains activities. Okay. Include. Good. So, and this is valuation variant. This is one of the great feature, and it is one of the control under this costing variant, because so this abbreviation a bit confusing, tricky, like the sequence of source, sequence of source of price to update the material price. That means, for example, if I am using a subcontracting process, in that subcontracting process, in the material master, I will instruct to the system with the price control or procurement type. Procurement means maybe it's a price control, I think. Procurement alternative, procurement 30. And I will maintain the price in the info record, purchase info record, not in purchase order. But yes, I know I am maintaining this subcontracting process. I am maintaining the price in the info record. But how system knows? To instruct and to know the system, I gives the it's called commands or instructions to the system. Yes, because of the subcontracting process, from this valuation variant, the first priority will be purchase info record. Normally, if it is not a subcontracting, then I will maintain the price in the material master. That means the first priority will be material master or purchase order or something. That means where I am maintaining my price. So in this valuation variant, I will inform to the system, first you check the price in the, that means where I have maintained. Either it is material master or purchase order or purchase info record, okay, or somewhere. That means where I am maintaining. So first you check this material master. If system, that means if I didn't maintain here, then the second priority and second sequence will be PO. Even though not also, that means price also not maintained here, and it will goes to the info record. That means the sequence, the priority and sequence of the to update the material master price at the time of broadcasting, at the when I have executed the CK11 or that means cost estimation, first the costing variant will active. Under the costing variant, it will check from where I need to pick the material price, only material price. For example, if it is the activity price, it will goes to the KP26. Have I maintained or not? If not maintained, then automatically system gives the error, activity price didn't maintained. This combination cost center and activity or cost center and activity they didn't maintain the price. Similar error it will throw. Yeah. So that system understand for how that means system understands where I have maintained the price. That will contains and that information belongs to the valuation variant, and this valuation variant only can able to give and pick the price where I have maintained. Got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, transfer control. What is the transfer control? Actually, it is one of the another what it's called a control. Transfer control and date control only. Two things are here. From which plant? That means, do I update the cost estimation from existing? That means, do I take the existing cost estimate or current cost estimate? Which cost estimation I need to update? Then through this transfer control and which plant? It controls through this transfer control. And date control means which date. That means end of the month, end of the period, or first of the month, or maximum date I can able to give in this date control. Through this date control, system knows which period, because as a standard SAP, system will not allow you to do the standard cost estimation for previous months. That is standard. So it checks, do I need to update the future price or current price, which price? That means which, from the which date we are running the standard cost estimation. In the, that means in the CK11N or CK40N, there will be a one tab which belongs to this one only. Which one? The date related. Then it will shows us which date we are giving to the system. These two, okay, transfer control and reference control, nominal, but valuation variant, quantity structure, and that costing type and cost component structure. These are the main things, main features we need to keep in our mind. What you have understand regarding the valuation variant, Prakash?
So valuation control, it is it controls everything, and all the assignments will be done in that place.
No, not everything. Only just to remember, very simple. From where I need to pick the material price. That means the system asks itself, then it will check in the priority and sequence which I have maintained in the valuation variant tab.
Okay. Sorry, I was referring costing variant. Yeah, valuation variant is different. Yes.
Yeah. Valuation variant, the priority of sequence, priorities and sequence of the price to update the material price. Simple.
Yeah.
Okay. That means because I am having a combination of raw materials, semi-finished and finished goods. Okay. In which material I need to maintain? Because in the raw material only, I need to maintain the moving average price. Based on that moving average price only, it will roll up to the second higher level material, and it will add some other components, and it will goes to the final finished good, final material, final component. So where I am maintaining, as I given the example of, if it is a subcontracting, we will not maintain the price in the material master because I have given the subcontract to another some vendor. So that vendor, that means in that process, I will maintain the price in the info record, purchase info record. Here there is no material master price. Info record price only will comes into the picture. So How system knows it is a subcontracting and I am maintaining the price in the info record? Because special procurement key in the material master, there will be a one that means subcontracting process 30 special procurement key. Then system knows yes it is a subcontracting material. Then it will checks the info record price. These two combination, I will maintain the first priority for this particular material in the plant. I will give the first priority of info record price in the valuation variant. Obviously, system will pick from that info record. If I didn't give the first priority info record, I have given the material master itself only. Even though I didn't maintain, system will not bother about that one. The second priority, for example, I have given the material master, info record. Then obviously automatically it will go and it will pick. That means I have given the instruction to the system through valuation variant. First priority, whichever it is, check the price is available or not. If not available, go to the second priority. And as per the sequence level, sequentially. That is the objective of valuation variant is very important. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. In the quantity structure, for example, that means we discussed regarding the quantity structure. Here we got the material price. Okay. Now,
yeah,
the activity price where I will maintain in the activity combination of
KP26.
Yeah, combination of cost center and activity.
Okay.
Cost center and the activity. Am I right? So
yeah,
with the combination and with the layout, for example, it's a 101 or 201 based on our or it's called feasibility in that particular time, particular process. So, for example, in the combination of if I want to input plan or output planning, based on that only I will select that input, or it's called not input, or it's called I have given 101 what it's layout. Okay.
okay.
But major combination belongs to cost center, activity, and cost element. These three combination, I will maintain the price in KP26. As you said, correct. In KP26, I will maintain the activity price. That means here I got material price. Here I am having activity price. What are the prerequisites for product costing? It's one of the interview questions. So someone has asked me. Very basic things.
Okay.
Because material, activity, and overhead. These combination of these three, because price of the material and the activity, nothing but the physical activity, those who are doing in the production process. Activity. Okay. And overheads. That means this is the direct overhead and indirect overhead. Now here I got direct. Sorry. This is direct overhead. Am I right?
Yeah.
So through costing sheets, indirect overhead. Okay. That means activity price through KP26 I have maintained. Yes, I got indirect overhead through costing sheet, material price through valuation variant. All these things comes under costing variant. I will assign all these things to the costing variant. By the reason only I said this is part of product costing. Without this, we can't do anything. That means the purpose, there is no what it's called meaning without costing variant, we cannot do anything in the product costing. Okay.
Okay.
So today, you just tell me, that means in this product costing, this under the costing variant, the basic requirements and the basic objectives for product costing is equal to material cost, activity cost, overhead cost. That means indirect overhead combination only, and based on these three combination you can get the standard price, nothing but cost estimation. Okay.
Okay.
Hope you clear on this.
Yeah.
That means there is no confusion, because I want standard cost. Standard cost belongs to these three. I will write here. Standard cost is equal to combination of these three. Based on these three only, you will get the standard cost estimation. Standard cost estimation only the purpose to do the product costing in manufacturing process. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Once I do the product standard cost estimation based on that benchmark price or that estimated price, I can able to know the COGM, nothing but I will get here COGM, nothing but price, plant price. Price at plant level only. Price at plant level. This is COGM, cost of goods manufacturing. Once I add selling overhead, then I will get COGS, cost of goods sold. At which price I am selling my price. This is a single line. You can elaborate about product costing. Can you able to explain that means how far you understand?
So these are the three essential things what we are going to do for getting the standard cost. And if we add in addition to that, if you add selling price, selling overheads.
Stop here, please. Now you tell me these three. Please elaborate these three. Then 90% you understand. That means I think I feel you understand this one.
So from there are three different sources to get cost, actual planned cost for getting standard cost estimate. For material, there are three sources again. Either from material master we will get it, or
not only three. Actually, just for example only, I said three only. You can able to maintain somewhere else also, no problem. From IDOC or somewhere, that means from other source also we can able to maintain.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there are more sources. So it, for example, it can be material master, it can be purchase order or info record. So from that we'll be getting material cost.
That means I am telling to the system from which source and which sequence and which priority to pick the price which I have maintained. That is the purpose of valuation variant, to get the material price. First thing.
Yeah, like for example, in house banking, what we do, okay, if this house bank is not there, then next ranking is this, ranking is like,
Yes.
And next thing is activity. So normally we give this in KP26, whatever cost is there, we are giving in KP26. And from that's the source we are getting. And I think overhead we get from cost sheet.
Indirect overhead.
Okay, indirect.
Yeah, this is direct overhead, which activity directly added or involved in the manufacturing process is called direct overhead, which is indirectly, like a driver and a cleaner and electrician, someone. That means
So how about direct machine price or labor price, direct labor, where it will go? It will be in activity only.
yeah, yes. We can maintain as a labor only.
Okay.
The activity as a labor, machine as a machine also one of the activity, and cleaning. That means these are the activities. That means how you want to treat that particular cost.
Okay.
Okay. With these three, you will get. Hello.
Yeah. Please continue.
Yeah. With these three, you will get.
Cost of goods manufactured.
Yeah. Once you add selling overheads, then
Yeah, then it will become cost of goods sold.
yeah, exactly. Simple. Completed. Okay.
So the amount of the entry when we go for invoice, invoice in SD, so CO GM will come.
Yeah, that means invoice, which price you will maintain?
Like when we create sales order, when we issue the goods, and when we are raising the invoice after post good issue,
Yeah.
when we raise invoice at that time, it will be debiting customer and crediting COGM. Is that right? Or no, I think during issue it will go for COGM.
Yes.
When we
That
issue
means, yeah, that see, that means billing and delivery. Those
yeah.
are comes under the picture. What it's called after the PGA.
Okay.
Okay. During
Yeah.
this process also, there are accounting impacts at the time of variance, at the time of that means raw material, procuring the raw material to getting material from the production. Nothing but, for example, if you are issuing the material to the production, raw material consumption account to order.
Okay.
Okay, like the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, many accounting impacts also is there at the time of variance, at the time of settlement. Goods taken from the production, goods issued to the production. So I will discuss at the time of accounting impacts while we start the process. So as of now, just it's a overview. You understand. Actually, now I'm telling you the objective of the product costing, why we are doing this one. Okay, to know the cost of product or job nothing but it's a order, nothing but or batch. And you shall I write here?
Yeah.
Objective of product, job or batch. Next, and provides detailed cost of the product management. And then based on this only, management can analysis which component of resource influencing the cost of product, and management can take the decision how to replace or substitute the particular component or resource to reduce the cost of the product. This is the benefit.
Okay.
One second. Based on that, do analysis and observe which component influencing to increase the price they can take a decision to replace or substitute. And provides the information which location getting cheapest cost of the product, and can compare and do the analysis the cost between locations. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, for example, tobacco production, that means cultivation, farming will be that means happens from decades. But in other states, maybe due to the geographical influences or characteristics, it will not happen. By the reason, if I buy, if I and another example of, so we can take as a sugar cane. In West Godavari, the sugar cane for cultivation is very huge, and thousands of acres also we are doing. So if the industrialists make decision to establish the manufacturing plants like a sugar making sugar cane, what it's called like Andhra Sugars, sugar manufacturing industries, maybe the raw material of the sugar cane will be getting very cheap, and they can able to make the final product of sugar at their expected cheapest price. If they do the same in Jharkhand or another location, and buying the sugar cane from here and a transport over there and do the manufacturing, maybe the sugar 1 kilo 100 rupees over here, and it will be 500 rupees over there. Based on this differences, and what it's called, we can able to know the where cheapest raw material we can able to procure, then where it is getting, they can do the analysis based on this type of breakup when we are getting through the COGM. This is the another use.
Okay.
And to know optimal lot size to minimize the cost of product. Optimal lot size, that means in production process, in any for example, if you take pharma or any another one, like lot size means a dedicated or decided quantity of that particular operation. In the operations, what it's called batch size, nothing but lot size. Then they can decide, yes, this is the in time if we maintain this lot size, then it will be a expected output time based on that activity and calculated price, calculated how can I say, how can I elaborate this example, like I'm having a grinding use machine like granulating. So for capacity of the particular machine belongs to 100 kilos. That means for each lot size, I will make it as 100 only. Based on that, I am having a 1000 kilo raw material. That means 10 times I need to do the particular process, and that means my lot size will be optimal lot size will be 100. To understand, that means to know and to observe.
Okay.
Yeah. And to evaluate inventory, to evaluate incomplete product, nothing but WP. This is important. To inventory and incomplete product, nothing but WIP. So to value inventory, when we call it say inventory, once the production process will complete, then we can able to say, yes, it's my inventory. And based on the production process during the period, we call it as a WAP. This WAP is equal to net of debit or net of credit of order. That means accurately how much process, how much inventory, how much raw material consumed during the period is called as net of debit or credit as a WOP. That means we can able to understand, yes, this part of production has completed and this much of inventory I am holding, and this much of time it will take, this much of raw material I needed for further process. All these things we can able to easily understand during the WAP and during the process based on this broadcasting configuration. That means what it's called functionality.
Okay.
Incomplete product under the WAP means the actual cost method, target cost method, plan cost method, similar different type of costs also we can able to calculate based on the particular order, which order it will be. If it is a production order, then it will be different. If it is a process order, it's under the PCC, then we need to do the calculation for target cost. Nothing but target cost is equal to standard cost into net of goods receipt, I think, the formula. Maybe it's
Okay.
So, one second. Maybe we will stop over here only, because this is the important line. You can
Okay.
understand, then it will be easy in simple shortcut, like that means there is no shortcut for huge processes, but we can able to understand easily. My objective is standard cost. To get the standard cost, I needed material, activity, and overheads. These are the prerequisites for forecasting. Yes, for material, price will get from the valuation variant, activity from the quantity structure control, okay, and overhead from the costing sheet. So these three are key configuration under the costing variant. Once I do the costing variant, all these three also I will do under the cost component structure. In this cost component structure, I will make sure which type of materials, which type of activities, how it will, that means which type of breakup of the cost. Once I execute the CK, that means a cost estimation transaction, how you want to see the breakup, raw material wise, activity wise, see material wise, activity wise, overhead wise, I want to see the price. Am I right?
Yeah.
I can reach and accomplish through this cost component structure.
Okay.
Okay. Once I do, then I will get the COGM, nothing but plant price.
Okay.
Once I add the selling overheads, I will get the COGS. To get COGS and these things, that means mid of these two, I need to create a production order. I need to do the month-end activities and delivery, and that means takeovers. So many configuration steps and so many activities I need to perform. Then only I will get this.
Okay.
It is a sentence, but it's not a simple thing. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and there was one report you were referring, like SLR.
SLR, yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, can you give me that? I tried for that. It was not working.
Yes,
And
87013611. It is a standard cost center report.
Okay, okay.
Okay, it's like similar like how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like a mobile number. Okay, if you go and if you see,
So 1111 is for cost center.
yeah, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, we can able to see and we can understand that numbers. Then it's a not big deal. We can able to remember.